When you think about adding in a new line, it's not an easy feat, or otherwise everybody would go do that. For me, it's to show the world what the 737 program can go do.
Specifically for the North Line, I like that it's going to be a fast-paced environment, and I like how many planes that we're going to be able to move through here, so every single plane that comes through, I'll have my touch on it.
I love getting back to basics, what it really means to have quality, what it really means to follow the plans, the procedures, the processes, just get the opportunity to start fresh.
North Line is not just another line, but it really is a group of talented people that come together and have one goal.
Seeing a bunch of people on my team and other teams do things they've never done before and do things that they didn't necessarily think they might be capable of.
It didn't matter what organization you came from, it started in Renton. So the first thing I want to say is to the Renton team, thank you. We could not have done it without you.
A year from now, if the customer cannot tell where the airplane's being built, whether that's the North Line or in Renton, I think we've succeeded.
I'm super excited. I've always wanted to be a part of something big, something that flies people at 40,000 feet. I mean, you can't beat that. That's awesome.
I hope that we did it smooth and that we can come up here and hit the ground running.
We've put in countless hours and many sleepless nights. It's a moment of truth.
Whatever the production system throws at us, we've been through similar challenges before, and we're going to be ready.
One team, one mission, go 737. Be excited about what you're going to do. You're going to be making history.